Hi, my name is Virenda Halli. I am the NLP Master Life Coach and Trainer. Today, I am here to give you a brief introduction about NLP. NLP means it is Neuro Linguistic Program. In everybody's life, many of the events happens every day, but all the events will not be registered in the mind. Before it gets registered into the mind, there is a filter which we cannot see it. Through that, all these events will pass through. There are three types of changes that happens in these events before it gets registered into the mind. The first one is the deletion, means the event which gets deleted as it is, it will not be registered into our mind. For example, whenever we are going out to our work, many of the things, many of the vehicles, many of the persons, many of the animals or many of the things that passes onto our way. But none of these things will be registered in our mind. That means it's all deleted. The second factor, that whatever the event or the happening is there, that gets changes and that will be converted as event 2 and that gets registered in the mind. For example, when we are going on a vehicle, on the way there will be a small accident. We do not know whose mistake is there, but still then the person who is riding gets angry and starts fighting with the opponent. The accident is the event and that will be converted into anger. That anger makes him to shout and he will spend the time with that. That is the process called as distortion. The event 1 is the accident, but it will be get registered as the anger into our mind. And the third one is in the life there are many of the beliefs are there or the things are there which we believe it blindly. If you dig it from where these beliefs are coming or who has said it, where it is written and all, you will not find any documentation for this. For example, when you are going out in the morning, suddenly a black cat passes onto your way. You say that, some says that, no, it's not a good thing. It's not a good sign. Today we'll go back because the black cat has passed on to our way. This is the belief. We do not know who has said it, from where it is coming and all, but it has been there in our mind. But if you make an analysis after that, that day, many of the good things might have happened. Many of the achievements, many of the successful things might have happened, but those all analysis will not make it. So blindly we believe that whenever the black cat passes on to our way, it's not a good sign. This is called as a generalized belief. Like this, deletion, distortion and generalized thing that happens before the event gets into registered into our mind. So whatever is the event that gets registered into our mind, that will make an impact into our body. What is this impact? How it happens and what all the changes that happens, we'll see it in the next video. Thank you.